Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the jungle. It's time to handle this. Look at it. And some of them had a nerves to be re-flowering or growing again, whatever. But whatever's in there is gone. Let's see, is this dirty, y'all? Can y'all see? Anyway, whatever is in there is going to get harvested because I need to make room and finish planting this bed. So, excuse my voice, but hey, if you've been here a while, you know it's naturally raspy, especially early in the morning. So, let's do it. Let's see what we can get. Okay, y'all. Just when I figured I was gonna do some little harvesting, I'm gonna still try to do something real fast, but that wind has turned into cloudiness. It's turned into a few droplets. But so I'm going to harvest as much as I can off camera so my stuff don't get wet. But I see a few peeking. They look small, but hey, I'm gonna get what I can get because these joints are pretty dead. And the ones that's short like this and they come out whole on the potato, I may just keep that potato and plant it in another bag. We'll see. But this long one, I don't care about that. This stuff is bone dry. It's time to get it over with so I can make space for something else, replant another set perhaps. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I see a few. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can while just trying to storm. Here's one. Little baby. All these little babies, but everything died out. Oh shoot, okay. I'll use this box. I'm going to replant these little bitty ones. That's what I did this time. Okay, a little bit. I don't like doing this with one hand, but we gotta do what we gotta do before it rains. That's a good size one. Another one. What is this supposed to do? It was supposed to grow, obviously. But depending on what kind of harvest I get, we've been having a lot of crazy rain in Texas, and so me trying to keep an actual watering schedule for potatoes this time didn't work as much as I wanted it to. So it's cool though. Y'all hear everything clashing. Okay, let me get another bag. because these little sprinkles, I'm already feeling them. May make me, this is heavy, y'all. Oh shoot, it's raining for real? Oh, I dropped the potato. It's raining, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, that's some big ones. I gotta get my phone, hold on. Oh shoot. There's some good ones. Oh shoot, it's raining. I think that's a seed potato. Ugh. Okay, let me go on in and I'll try to cover this up like that so it won't get too wet, but gotta go. So far, that's what I got out of a bag and a few on one bag. I can't work this stupid gimbal.